On a dark and stormy night in 1809, a British warship was sailing through the treacherous waters off the coast of Spain when it encountered a strange and eerie sight. In the distance, they saw the faint glow of a ship, but as they approached, they realized that it was not any ordinary vessel. It was a ghost ship. This is the story of the ghost ship Caleuche, a phantom galleon that has haunted the seas for centuries. The crew of the British warship were seasoned sailors who had braved many a storm, but they had never seen anything like this before. The ghost ship seemed to be made of pure white light, and it moved with an unnatural grace through the waves. As they got closer, they could hear the sound of drums and the mournful cries of what sounded like hundreds of lost souls. The crew were so frightened that they turned their ship around and fled, leaving the ghost ship and its ghostly crew behind them. The tale of the ghost ship Caleuche has been passed down through generations of sailors in the region, and it is said to be one of the most haunting maritime legends ever told. But what is the truth behind the story? Is there really such a thing as a ghost ship, or is it just a myth? To understand the legend of the ghost ship, we must first go back in time to the 17th century when the seas were dominated by pirates. One of the most notorious pirates of this era was a man named Francis Drake, an English explorer and privateer who sailed around the world and plundered the riches of the Spanish Empire. In 1585, Drake and his crew were sailing along the coast of Spain when he discovered a large galleon carrying silver and gold from the Americas to Spain. Drake and his men attacked the galleon and stole the treasure, and in the process, they killed or wounded nearly everyone on board. The Spanish were furious about the attack and vowed revenge. They sent out a massive fleet to hunt down Drake and his crew, but they were never found. However, the Spanish did find another ship that Drake had used to transport the stolen treasure, and they sank it off the coast of Galicia, never to be seen again. Fast forward to 1809, when the British warship encountered the ghost ship. It's possible that the galleon they saw was the same one that had been sunk all those years ago. Over time, the legend of the ghost ship grew. It was said that the galleon was cursed and that the souls of the men who died on board were trapped on the ship for eternity. Some even say that the ghost ship can be seen at certain times of the year, particularly around the anniversary of the sinking. The legend of the ghost ship has captured the imagination of people around the world. There have been books, films, and TV shows based on the story, and it has even inspired works of art. One of the most famous paintings of the ghost ship was created by Spanish artist José María de Lara, who depicted the eerie galleon sailing through the fog. But the legend of the ghost ship is more than just a spooky tale. It's a reminder of the power of the sea and the dangers that lurk beneath the surface. The seas have always been a treacherous place, and countless ships have been lost to the depths, taking their crews with them. Even today, ships are lost at sea and their crews never recovered, and who knows how many ghost ships lie beneath the waves waiting to be discovered. One of the most famous ghost ships ever discovered was the RMS Titan. The Titan was a luxury liner that sank in 1911 after colliding with an iceberg. More than 1,500 people died in the disaster, and the ship became one of the most infamous ghost ships of all time. The legend of the Titan has been kept alive by films like James Cameron's Titanic, which told the story of the doomed ship and its passengers. But the legend of the ghost ship doesn't have to be confined to the past. There are many reports of ghost ships that have appeared in recent years. One of the most recent sightings was in 2021 when a fisherman off the coast of Ireland spotted a ghost ship that appeared to be made of mist. The fisherman took a photo of the ship, but when he went to investigate, it had vanished. In 2018, a group of divers in Florida came across a sunken ship that had never been seen before. The divers were exploring a local shipwreck when they found the ship, which was covered in barnacles and seaweed. It's believed that the ship may have been a ghost ship that had been lost for decades. And in 2016, a pilot in Australia spotted a ghost ship in the sky. The pilot was flying over the ocean when he saw a ship sailing through the clouds. He quickly realized that it was not a mirage, but a real ghost ship that was sailing above him. These are just a few of the many reports of ghost ships that have been seen around the world. And who knows what other ghostly vessels may be lurking beneath the waves or sailing through the skies. If you're skeptical about these stories, you're not alone. Many people believe that ghost ships are nothing but myths and legends. There is no scientific evidence that they exist, and most sightings can be explained away as hoaxes or misidentifications. However, some people believe that ghost ships are real and that they can be seen at certain times of the year, particularly around the anniversary of a ship's sinking. The legend of the ghost ship Caleuche continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. Whether or not ghost ships exist, the story of the Caleuche is a reminder of the power of the sea and the mysteries that still remain. If you want to learn more about the ghost ship Caleuche or other similar legends, there are plenty of resources available. Books, documentaries, and articles have been written about the ghost ship and its haunting legacy. You can also explore other maritime legends from around the world, such as the story of the Flying Dutchman, a ghost ship that is said to sail the seas warning of disaster. Whether you believe in ghost ships or not, the story of the ghost ship Caleuche is a reminder of the power of the sea and the mysteries that still remain. So if you ever hear the mournful cry of a ship lost at sea, remember that it may just be the ghost ship Caleuche sailing through the night. What do you think? Is there such a thing as a ghost ship, or is it just a myth? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. You can also check out my other videos, which are all about the unexplained and mysterious. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, this is a scary story. Did you know that your internet history can come back to haunt you? From embarrassing moments to login mistakes, our past online activity can be a source of stress. Thankfully, there's a way to clear your internet history and start fresh with a clean slate. Incogni is an innovative service that helps you remove personal information from search engines. With just a few clicks, you can remove photos, videos, and other personal information that may be publicly available online. It's important to protect your privacy and security online, and removing your personal information from search engines is an important step in doing so. Not only can it help you avoid the embarrassment of having your past mistakes or personal information shared online, but it can also help protect you from identity theft and other online threats. So if you're ready to take control of your online privacy and security, then visit the website to get started. Now is the time to take action and protect yourself online. So don't wait. Click the link below to sign up for Incognito today and enjoy a free trial. That's risk-free. Try it today and see how easy it is to protect your online privacy and security. Don't wait. Start protecting yourself online today.